The allure of Limnophila aromatica. From humble herb to vibrant aquarium gem. Few plants manage to straddle the line between culinary delight and dazzling underwater beauty, quite like Limnophila aromatica. This tropical gem, also known as the rice paddy herb, has captivated me for years. As a lover of both flavorful cooking and vibrant aquascapes, Limnophila aromatica offers the best of both worlds. In my kitchen, its fragrant leaves, called NGOOM, add a unique peppery aroma to soups and stews. But in my aquarium, Limnophila aromatica transforms into a stunning display of foliage, its narrow green leaves boasting vibrant red undersides under intense lighting. This adaptability makes it a truly versatile plant, and I'm here to share my experience cultivating it in both its terrestrial and aquatic forms. What is Limnophila aromatica? Limnophila aromatica is a tropical flowering plant native to Southeast Asia. It thrives in hot, humid environments and is often found growing wild in flooded rice paddies. This explains its common name, the rice paddy herb. Belonging to the Plantagenaceae family, it's a close relative of foxgloves and snapdragons. While not as widely known as basil or mint, Limnophila aromatica boasts a unique flavor profile that complements cuisine beautifully. Its leaves offer a subtle peppery kick with a hint of citrus, adding depth and complexity to broths and noodle soups. However, Limnophila aromatica's true visual magic unfolds underwater. In aquariums with strong lighting, its narrow green leaves develop stunning red undersides, creating a mesmerizing contrast. The feathery foliage adds a sense of movement and elegance to the tank, making it a popular choice for aquascapers. Limnophila aromatica versus Hipporoides. I've found Limnophila aromatica to be a real standout in my aquarium with its vibrant red and green foliage, while Hipporoides, although an interesting plant, didn't quite capture my attention the same way because it grew more slowly and didn't have the same striking color contrast. How to grow Limnophila aromatica. Cultivating Limnophila aromatica is surprisingly easy, whether you're nurturing it in a pot on your windowsill or submerged in your aquarium. Here's a breakdown of its needs in both environments. In the garden. Light. Limnophila aromatica prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Soil. Opt for well-draining, fertile soil. A mixture of potting soil and perlite works well. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid waterlogging. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Fertilizer. During the growing season, apply a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks. Harvesting. You can harvest the leaves anytime throughout the year. Simply pinch off what you need, and the plant will readily produce new growth. In the aquarium. Lighting. High-intensity lighting is crucial for bringing out the vibrant red coloration of the leaves. Aim for at least 2 to 3 watts per gallon of light. Substrate. A nutrient-rich substrate is ideal. Consider using aquasoil or adding root tabs for optimal growth. CO2 injection. While not strictly necessary, CO2 injection can significantly boost growth and enhance the red coloration. Water parameters. Limnophila aromatica thrives in a neutral to slightly acidic pH range, 6.5 to 7.5, and prefers soft to moderately hard water. Trimming. This plant is a fast grower and will benefit from regular trimming to maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth. You can replant the trimmings to propagate new plants. How to care for Limnophila aromatica. In the garden. Regularly check for pests like aphids or whiteflies and treat them with organic methods like insecticidal soap or neem oil. Prune the plant regularly to maintain a desired size and shape. Limnophila aromatica is not frost tolerant. If you live in a cold climate, bring the plant indoors before the first frost. In the aquarium. Maintain good water quality through regular water changes and filtration. Monitor the nutrient levels in your tank and adjust fertilization as needed. Ensure adequate water flow throughout the aquarium to prevent stagnant zones. What to plant with Limnophila aromatica. In the garden. Limnophila aromatica pairs well with a variety of herbs and vegetables that enjoy similar growing conditions. Here are a few ideas. Basil, mint, cilantro, chives, leafy greens like lettuce and spinach. In the aquarium. Limnophila aromatica's graceful form complements various aquarium plants. Consider these options. Sword plants, cryptocorynes, anubias, dwarf hairgrass. Other stem plants like Rotala rotundifolia or Ludwigia sp. red. By incorporating these tips, you can cultivate thriving Limnophila aromatica in both your garden and your aquarium. Witnessing its transformation from a fragrant kitchen herb to a dazzling underwater display is truly rewarding. The versatility of Limnophila aromatica allows you to not only enjoy its unique flavor, but also create a breathtaking aquascape that adds a touch of the tropics to your home. With its ease of care and stunning beauty, this plant is a true gem for anyone who appreciates the wonders of the natural world, both above and below the water's surface.